Hey everybody, welcome back to the Living Between Paychecks kitchen. It's me, Jack, the other host. Oz is off somewhere, don't exactly remember where it is, but hopefully he's doing alright, missed the big guy. But today I have something spicy planned. We're going to be doing some cheesy keto jalapeno chicken. It's all going to fit in one pan, and it's going to be great. So let's get into it. Alright, so let's get started with our ingredients. We have 5 chicken thighs over here. We have 2.5 jalapenos, some of them chopped, one of them was sliced. Ignore the notification. We have 1/4 of a chopped white onion, some garlic. We're probably going to use a teaspoon, a little bit more than that maybe. Some sharp cheddar. We're going to use about 1 cup, but yeah, that could vary depending on taste. We have some cream cheese. I have cream cheese spread. I believe the original recipe does not call for the spread, but it's what I got, so we're going to hope for the best. I got some heavy cream. Heavy whipping cream and heavy cream are the same thing, by the way, in case anyone was wondering. And some chicken broth. So here we are, I got my new cast iron pan. I had it perfectly seasoned, almost. There's one defect, I tried to fix it, made things a little bit worse, so we're just going to roll with it. So we got some avocado oil, we're going to add some, and we're going to get it warming up. Okay, now just like always, if you want to make sure your oil is ready, just dip it in a little bit. If it sizzles, your oil's ready. If it doesn't, wait a little bit longer. It's been a few more minutes. It sizzles. So we're going to go ahead and place our chicken in. And we're going to cook our chicken for about 3 minutes on each side. I want you to get a nice brownish color. Of course, try and get it as flat as you can. Alright, that's it. Cook it for 2-3 minutes on each side. It's been somewhere between 2 and 3 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and flip the chicken over so the other side can start to cook. That's the nice brown, golden brown color you're looking for. Remember, try to make sure you keep the meat on the metal. It's the most effective way to cook it. And once again, cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. It's been about 3 minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and take the chicken out and set it off to the side. We're going to go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of butter. I forgot to mention this in the ingredient list. We're going to let that melt down. Okay, after our butter started to melt, we're going to add our onions. We're going to add our jalapenos. And we're going to add 1 teaspoon of garlic. And it's a little bit more. That won't hurt though. And we're going to saute it for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now as your vegetables are sauteing, gently go through and occasionally stir it. If you stir it too much, you'll make them mushy. You don't want to make them mushy. But you also don't want to leave them alone because they'll turn into little black coals. Next, we're going to add 1/3 of a cup of broth. You can use chicken broth or you can use vegetable broth. I have chicken broth here. Then we're going to add 1/4 cup of heavy cream. And now we have to get about 2 ounces of cream cheese. I'm not measuring it out properly, but if I recall, a tablespoon is about 1/2 ounce. So we need 4 tablespoons roughly of cream cheese. Now we're going to stir it until our cream cheese melts. After the cream cheese has melted into the sauce, we're going to add 1/2 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, and we're going to melt it down. After your shredded cheese has combined with the sauce, we're going to go ahead and reintroduce our chicken back into the pan, like so. And we are going to cook it with the lid on low for about 6 to 8 minutes. Of course, your cooking time may vary, so do keep that in mind. So let's go ahead and put our lid on it. Oh, I did almost miss something. We still have a 1/2 cup of cheese, so go ahead and top the chicken with the remaining cheese that you have. And now we cover it. A little over 7.5 minutes has passed. I'm going to go ahead and uncover the masterpiece. The cheese has melted on top. The sauce is nice and thick. And I definitely can smell some of the jalapeno. This is going to be pretty spicy. But yeah, that's it. This is done. You don't have to do any more with this. Of course, use the thermometer, check your chicken temperature. You're looking for 165 Fahrenheit. Don't know what that is in Celsius, but that's the safe chicken temperature. And so yeah, there you have it. The cheesy keto jalapeno chicken in one pan. It's some really good stuff. It's really spicy. I even used some spicy seasoning on the chicken. If you want to see what our seasonings are like, you can check out some of our previous videos. Maybe we'll have one show up above. I don't really know for sure. And yeah, as I said, it came out really good. Now, thanks for watching. You can catch us here Tuesdays and Fridays normally. You can also find us over on Facebook at Living Between Paychecks Kitchen, and I believe Instagram at Living Between. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.